as I was telling you about, it took quite some time, and then now the Azure functions has been deployed. You can see over here our functions demo 2020 has been deployed, and finally it has been done. Now when we go to the resource group, we can go to this particular resource group, and here you can see the functions app, the application insights, and the app service plan, and the storage account is created. Now how do you verify if the code is completed or not? So here I can actually get the particular website name, and when I run this website name, I'm able to see your functions app is up and running, but that doesn't actually give me a proper output. See, your functions app is up and running, but this is not the proper output that I want. Then how can I go and check the output? I just need to go inside the functions app. Okay, and the functions app that we created is a HTTP trigger function, if you remember. So we are going to this functions menu, and here okay, this is not deployed properly because it says like it is actually in a read-only mode because you're running from a package file. To make any changes, update the contents in your zip file and then website run from package app settings. This shouldn't be the case. This is okay. Let me go to the functions app again, and then I'm just clicking on the pipeline again, and then I'm seeing what exactly went wrong. So this is the zip file that I wanted. Okay, fine. Just giving it as star. Okay, good. And then here is where all the app settings and everything is run, and additional deployment option. I'm just trying it to run as zip deploy. Okay, and then what exactly I'm getting it over here. Website run from the package. It says to make any changes, update the contents in your zip file, and then okay, website. This is the one that I have it over here. Website run from the package is actually one. I don't think any problem is over here. Let me try to choose it again, and then any other changes is required. Not exactly, and what kind of app settings I'm having it. It is Windows. Okay. I'm trying to disable it, and then I'm trying to run it one more time. Okay, I'm trying to do a redeployment is done. Let me go back to Azure Functions, and then let me try to restart it one time. Okay, now let me go to the functions. Okay, so now I see like the functions one is created and it is going to be an HTTP triggered function. If you see here, it is HTTP triggered functions. Okay, and it is enabled now. So I'm just going inside the functions and I'm going to the code and test. Okay, and when you click on the functions app directly, you will be seeing this one, but this is not the output that we want. So I'm just going inside the functions and I'm going to the code and test, and here I'm getting the functions URL over here, and then I'm typing this over here with the subscription key, and this is what we want. See, hello there, welcome to Subhu's function. If you remember, this is what we have given it over here on our index.json. So this is the output that we wanted. Okay, so just try it. If you actually browse the function app function apps URL alone, you will be getting this one, but this is not what we need. We actually need this kind of output. So to access this kind of output, you actually need a code, and this code will be automatically available inside the functions from code and test. And when you click on this get functions URL, you will be getting this code over here. Just copy and paste it and you will get the output accordingly. Okay, next time when you try to change something over here, then try to change it and then save it and run, you will get the automatic code changes for the functions app. So this is how you can build and deploy the functions app accordingly. So just try it and then let me know if you guys face any issues. So last time what happened, like why it did not reflect, is like I'm just showing you one more time. So in the functions app, under deployment app settings, since it is going to be a zip file, I just choose a zip method deploy. If you are just choosing it as a folder, then you have to choose run from the package. So this is a zip file deployment, so I'm just trying to put it as a zip file deployment, and then I'm trying to run it one more time. Okay, that's all, so nothing else. So just try it one more time, and if you guys face any issues, please do let me know. Until then, thank you.